Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see the term 2 portions. What are the portions you have for term 2 exam now? That we are going to revise chapter wise. Okay, PT3 and PT4 portions we have completed. Then all together we are going to write the term 2 exam. PT3 portions also and PT4 portions also. Altogether we are going to write the term 2 exam. Okay. See what are the chapters for you? Term 2 portions. Chapter 7 subtracting greater numbers. Chapter 8 measurement. Next chapter 9 time, money, handling data, multiplication readiness. These 3 chapters I have written for exam. Now itself only know that is completed. So we have very well for these 3 chapters. So we have started from this chapter 7 subtracting greater numbers. That itself we have to revise. First thing this one, next measurement, next time, then one by one we are coming to other chapters. Okay dear children. So first subtracting greater numbers. Okay, in this subtraction, what are the things you have learned before? Just to recall, subtraction means what you have to, yes, move backward step by step. Subtraction means what? Move backward. That is smaller number. That means you have to easily subtract. But here greater number means what? 2 digit. You have to subtract from the 2 digit to 1 digit number. Next one steps like that. Separate and subtract it. That is the greater number. So you have to see from this chapter now. What is the subtraction symbol? That also you know very well. Subtraction symbol is minus. Suppose addition means how will you? Yes, that is move forward. That is move forward. So you have to observe the symbol and what you will do. This is move forward or backward, like that you have to think and do it. Okay, that is subtraction. Next measurement. Measurement means what? How to measure this? Long, short, big, small, tall. That is also short, like that. What are the things in this measurement? Next time. In this time chapter itself, what you have learned before? Yes, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. When will you wake up? When will you have breakfast? Come to school. Playing, like that. What are the timings that you have to see? Then days of the week. What is the first day? 1 day, how many? 1 week, how many days? Like that in this time chapter. Money also. Money, handling data, that also we can recall. Okay. So first we are going to see the first chapter 7 subtracting greater numbers. In this chapter subtracting greater numbers, first thing is start from the bigger number. Have subtract here 2 digit number, 1 digit number. We are going to subtract this 2 digit number and 1 digit number. So start from the bigger number. If you are taking this 2 number also, or start from 1's place and 10's place. Okay, if 1's place means start from this number. I am going to take full number 19. Okay, I am going to take full number 19. I take and write in this cloud. Move backward how many steps? What is the second number? That many steps you have to move backward. You have to move backward. So 19 before. 19 before what? 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So which number up to end of this number? That is the answer for this sum. Okay. So 19. You have to use your finger also. Move backward 7 steps. Move backward 7 steps. Start with me. Okay. 19 before 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So which number is coming at last? That is the answer. Answer is 12. Answer is 12. Okay, this is the main concept. Next one, the same only, subtracting a 1 digit number from a 2 digit number. Yes, this is a 2 digit number. This is 1 digit number. Okay, this one is sum. But you are going to write the numbers in the correct order. You are going to subtract in a vertical order, no? Have to take and write this number in the correct order. How will you write? First is 27. You have to write here 2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27. Next, what is this number? Only 1 digit, that is 5. 5. So 1 digit means where you have to write ones place only. Let's start from this ones place. No, ones and tens. This 5 you have to write in the ones place. Don't write here. So write in the ones place. Okay, put minus symbol. That is the subtraction. Now do the sum. You have to hide the tens place and do it in the ones place also. Otherwise you have to take full number because here only one digit. If you are supposed to hear 2-digit number means you should subtract ones place and tens place. Now also we have to do it. Now ones place you have to do it. Ones place, hide the tens place. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. So 7 start from this, take this number and move backward 5 steps. Move backward 5 steps. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So move backward 5 steps. Answer you got 2. Next, here tens place. Here no number. That means you have to take and write the same number below. So answer is 22. Answer is 22. If you want to check, ma'am, I will take full number, ma'am. I have to subtract this 5 directly. That means you have to take 27. Now keep in your mind what is this? This 27. Then open your finger, 5 finger. This number move backwards step by step 5 steps. So 27 before what number 27 before? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. 22 answer came no? The same answer, so well and good. If you are taking the ones place and tens place also do it. Otherwise take a full number and subtract this one. Only one digit is coming means, okay. So that is easy for you. Okay. Next one more sum I will do it here. For example, 27. I will give one more sum. You just try in your note itself. You just try in your note itself along with me. Okay. For 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13 here. This also 2 digit. This number also 2 digit. Got it? This number also 2 digit. This number also 2 digit. Now we are going to write the number in the correct order. While you are taken write the number, have to write in the number correct place. So first 25 minus. Next number what? 13. Ones place and tens place. So 2 digit. So 1, 3. This is belongs to ones place. This number to tens place. If you have any doubt before that ones tens, like that we have to write. Then minus ones place what number 3, tens place what number 1. Like that also you should write. Okay. Next. Now subtract first ones place and tens place because here 2 digit, here also 2 digit. So subtract first ones place, hide the tens place. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Hide the tens place kana. Then do it 5 minus 3. So 5, take in 5, then open 3 fingers. That means move backward 3 steps. Move backward how many steps? What number here? That only have to move that many steps. Okay, 3. 5 before 4, 3, 2. Okay, ones place over. Next tens place. Tens place. Now 2, 1. So you have to move how many steps? What number below? 1 steps only. So keep in your mind 2. Open the finger 1. 2 before 1. 2 before 1. So answer is 12. Answer is 12. Like that you have to work out some other numbers in your book itself. Then it will come. Okay. So if suppose to ones place and tens place, that means 0. Numbers coming means how will you do that? How will you do that? See here from 2 digit, no, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. Here subtraction from 2 digit also and 2 digit number, that also. So have to check what are the sums different is there. No, we have to do it now. See here, this is only here 2 digit, but here only 1 digit. That means ones place you have to take, otherwise full number. Okay, so now I am going to take first ones place. 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. So 9 before. 9 before. 6 steps you have to move backward. 9 before. So 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is 3. The answer is 3 here. Next, here no number. So we have to take and write the number same. 83. 83. See here also. First I am going to subtract ones place. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So 5 in the mind. Then keep your 4 finger. Move backward. 5 before 4. 3, 2, 1. So 1. The answer is 1 here. Here have to subtract the tens place. Nothing means you have to imagine 0. So 5 minus 0. 5. 5 minus 0. 5. Here no number means you have to imagine anything. 0. Yes. 5 minus 0. 5. So answer is 51. 51. Next, here also 2 digit and other number also 2 digit number. So subtracting from 2 digit and 2 digit number. So first ones place, next tens place. Ones place 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next tens place 9 minus 7, 9 before. 7 steps move backward. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So slowly you have to move backward step by step. Slowly. Okay. Don't move fast. If you are moving fast, means you can maybe mistake somewhat. So count backward means move slowly one by one. So 9 minus 7, 2. So 20. What is the answer? 20. Next sum. First ones place 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 0, 5. Next, 7 minus 2. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 before, 6, 5. 7 before, 6, 5. Answer is 55. So recall everything one by one. You have to do it along with me in your note itself. Then only it will come practice. Okay. Next one. 59 minus 24. Take and write the sum one by one in your note itself. Take and write all the sums and do yourself. Then you have to check the answer. This answer will come or not. Okay. So 59 minus 24. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. So 4 steps move backward. 9 before. 9 before. 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 before, 4, 3. 5 before, 4, 3. 35. 35. Next, here also come to the next sum. So 83 minus 22. So first ones place, next tens place. So ones place. 3 minus 2. So move backward 2 steps. 3 before, 2, 1. Next, 8 minus 2. So 8 before 2 steps. 8 before 7, 6. So answer is 61. Answer is 61 like that. Coming that. If you are doing anything other concepts, the same only supposed to give using addition facts. You have to match the subtraction sums of the 8 plus 5. Okay. So what number here will match it? For example, this one. I am going to give 3. 9 plus 3. What number? Then match it. See here. 12 minus 9. Next. 30 minus 5. Like this, sum is given means. See here. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 what? 13. 8 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 3, 12. Using this addition fact, you have to match the subtraction one. So 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. What number will come in this box? 12 minus 9 means 3. The answer is 3. So match according to this. Next, 30 minus 5. Only one number, no? That is 8. So this only. So this only for using addition fact you have to solve the subtraction sum. This is addition fact. This is the 3 numbers only repeated for that also. Okay. So 13 minus 5 means 8. 13 minus 8 means 5. But these three numbers only repeated for the subtraction problems. Here 12 minus 9, 3. 12 minus 3 means what? 9. 12 minus 3 means what? 9. So these things only important for subtracting greater numbers. If you have to do anything means extra sums you have to practice in your maths note itself. Next we are going to see the next chapter, that is measurement. Chapter 8, measurement chapter. In this, what are the things you have recalled in this measurement chapter? Yes, measurement means what? Measurement of length, measure of length and height, weight and capacity. If you have water bottle, that is how much capacity, half liter or 1 liter. You have water bottle, no? In that all the children, some children has bigger, some children has smaller, like that is a capacity. So one of the children will have half liter water bottle, others 1 liter, bigger means 1 liter. So that is the capacity. Then height. In your class, some boys is in height, no, compared than you. Some boys is compared in short. That is the height and short, tall. Okay. Next, length. Length, see here. How long, that is length. Crayons. Once you purchase the pencil, that is length. After that you sharpening, it will come very short. Yes, very small. That is. See here, I am giving 3 crayons here. A, B, C. Which is the longest crayon for these 3? Among these 3, which is the longest? This is length, long. Height means you have to measure like this. Okay. So longest crayon, which one? Yes, B. Yes, this B crayon is the longest crayon. Compare these others. Compare these other 2. Okay. Which is the shortest one? Which is the very shortest for these 3? Yes, this C. Yes, this is the shortest. This is the shortest crayon. This is the longest crayon. Got it? Next, tall. Next topic is tall. This, see, I am arranging this. You can imagine this is a eraser. I am arranging like this. Okay. So which is tallest? Which is tallest for this 3? A, B, C. Yes. This C only the tallest. Among these 3, C only the tallest. We can arrange it. Count the number of eraser and write the number. So which is the bigger? That is the tallest one. That is the tallest one. Next, how heavy? That is weight. Weight. In your maths note in one hand and maths book, which is heavy? Compare the maths note. Maths book is somewhat weight, no? That is heavy. Yes. So heavier side in the weighing balance always goes down and lighter side come up. In your playing seesaw, in park, play park itself you are playing seesaw, no? In that opposite side 2 boys, here 1 girl, means which side is goes down? Heavier side. That is 2 boys where they are sitting, that side is goes down. Lighter side is goes up. So that is weight. Compare the weight. Okay. Next. How much does it hold? I told you before itself, water bottle. In your home bucket, then how many liters it will hold? Water bucket you can fill, means how much water you can need to fill the bucket. Like this it is compared with that is the how much capacity. The liquid item, we need to measure the liquid item. That is the how much does it hold. In your book itself also, see, take your book the same thing for how much does it hold. They compare that page number 134. How much does it hold? Yes, these things only. Glasses of milk. You are poured into same measurement of bowl. Then which is the more capacity. That is next also color that mugs. If one mug have 2 cups of water means 2 jugs how many? 4 cups. 3 jugs means 6 cups. Like that you have to color it already. Yes, these things you have to recall. These things you have to recall. Then at last every chapter, at last chapter check up sums is there. That itself all model sums is here. All model sums is here given this. So you have to practice this chapter check up sums. In this chapter check up all types of problems in your book itself. Okay. So you have measured how long, how tall, then how much weight. All the sums, model sums is given in your book. So practice in this chapter 8 measurement. It is too easy for you. Compare and subtraction, time, this measurement chapter, it is very easy for you. Okay dear children, so this is only the main concept for chapter 8 measurement. Okay. For example, finding the weight of each object. Here they are given, compare the two things. One is shoe, other one is blocks. They are using blocks to weighing balance to compare this shoe. Okay. See how many blocks equal to the shoe weight. Count the number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to shoe weighs about 7 blocks. Shoe weighs about 7 blocks. Like that they are compared that. Next one also. Pencil box and blocks. Pencil box equal to how many blocks? 5 blocks. How many blocks? 5 blocks. So pencil box weight as much as equal to 5 blocks. Okay. Come next one. See, compare the book. Compare the book weight to blocks. Count the blocks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks. How many blocks? The book weighs about 9 blocks. The book weighs about 9 blocks. So this is the right way to find the weight of other things using weighing balance. Next one, compare the pictures, color the heavier object. Color the heavier object. Which are the, see here, all the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures are given. Ball and suitcase, and this is flower pot, flowers, bicycle and jeep. So which is the heavier? Compare these 6. Yes, absolutely. This only heavier, no? So you have to color like this. If many questions like this are asking means compare the things, then only have to color it. Okay dear children, this is finding the weight. Next, capacity. In different type of question they can ask means like this, they given a clue and you have to find out many options that you have to do it. See here, shade B to show more water than A. See here they given before itself only plain glass. Shade B to show more water than A. Here water is filling only 1/4, no? But we need to shade more than here, more than A. So that's why I filled up to this one. So that means which one is more capacity now? More water in these 2 glasses. This B only. Next one. Shade Q to show less water than P. So here we need to shade less than this here. So here they filled 3/4 glass of water. So I have shaded in Q because they given clue less than P, less than water P. Okay, so that's why I have shaded only up to this. Next, they given shade D to show equal water as in C. Show equal. Equal means both glass are showing the equal milk, equal water. So I have shaded up to this only. Now compare these two. Both are equal. Both are equal capacity. So this is the model sums. If they are asking many types of sums, you have to do and think and. Okay, think and do it the remaining sums. Next we are going to revise chapter 9, time. Chapter 9, time. Okay, see in this time chapter, which are the words we have used for last class now? Yes, just to recall that in this time chapter, what are the things we have learned? Which are the words we often used about this time? Yes, usually time means what we have in our mind. When will you go to school? Morning or evening? Or day or night? When will you go to school, Kanna? Morning or evening? Morning only. Yes. Okay. Next, when will you go to bed? Sleeping. That is night. Day. So you have to differentiate for that. So morning, evening, day, night. These things first you have to keep in our mind. Only time concept. Next, use your clock. When go home, you have to see that time is what the time now. That means we have 2 hands of this. Long hand is called a minute hand. Short hand is called the hour hand. Now look at this clock. Short hand shows which number, that is the time now. So 8. So So 8 o'clock. You have to write the time always between these two dots. Don't write here. That means one dot you have to keep it. That is not right. Okay. So you have to keep the two dots while you are writing the time. If this is a between, this is a minute, this is hour. This is minute, this is hour. So one, if suppose to this long hand shows 1 means 5 minutes. The long hand shows 2 means that is 10 minutes. This long hand shows 3 means that is 15 minutes. So like that it move 1 hour. This is moved to 1 round. That means that is you can move this one 9 o'clock. So this 9 o'clock, 10, 11, 12. So 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. That and all you have to. You are going to learn the second standard. First, how will you see the timings? Which hand shows? Short hand shows which number? That is the time 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So don't write like this. If you are writing the time, keeping the two dots, separate the minutes and hours. Okay. So long hand means minute hand. Short hand means hour hand. Short hand means hour hand. Suppose they ask the time to draw the hands of the clock. Okay. Next to what? Hands of the clock. Now tell me. I am giving the time for 11 o'clock. I am giving the time for 11 o'clock. You want to draw the hands inside the clock. So first keep the dots in the center place. 11 o'clock. So that means 11. Short hand shows which number? 11. So short hand. So you have to draw the short hand that shows number is 11. Next minute hand. 0, 0 means that is the 60 minutes. You have to show the 12. Okay. 11 o'clock. Like this. 11 o'clock. How did you write? 11 O 1 comma 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. This is one of the way. This is one of the way. Okay. 11 o'clock. Suppose they are asking to draw the hands of the clock. 12. What is that? 12. Exact time is 12. Okay. How will you write 12? See that short hand, that also shows 12. Then long hand also shows 12. So both hands shows the same number. That means the time is 12 o'clock. The time is 12 o'clock. So like that, another time asking means you have to read the time which number shows the short hand. That is the time. Okay, dear children. So next one about this time. What are the things? Yes, days of the week. Next, what is in this main concept in this days of the week? First day of the week for you when you are coming, while you are coming to school. First days of the week, what day? Yes, Monday. What day? Monday. Last day? Sunday. Last day? Sunday. Okay, so that you are going to see that Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. So you have to learn the spelling of these days. Okay, Monday. Next, Tuesday. Next, Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday and Saturday, Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Sunday only for always holiday for us. Sunday only always holidays for us. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. Sometimes we will get a holiday for these 2 days. Okay, for these 2 days sometimes we will get a holiday. Okay, this is called a weekends. This is called a weekends. Okay, so 7 days. In 1 week how many days? In 1 week 7 days. In 1 week how many days means? 7 days. Okay, so these also important thing. First day. Okay, next question. What comes after Tuesday? Which day comes after Tuesday? That means which day comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. That also they will ask the questions. Which day comes after Tuesday? That means Wednesday. Okay. Which day comes before Friday? Before Friday. Before means before this only, no? So that is Thursday. That is Thursday. So first write down, if you are like this question, they can ask me, write down all the days of the week in one corner. Then select it, which is before day, which is after. That you have to tick and write the answer. Okay. So this is also main concept in this time chapter. In your book also the same thing only. Take your book page number 138. See, first one, identify which is day, which is night. This activity belongs to which day or night. This activity belongs to day or night, like this. So these things already we have done. Just to recall this. Just to recall this. Okay. Here also. See the clock and write the timings here. Then draw the R hand only. Already minute hand they are given. So you have to draw the R hand. Here both hands of the clock you just draw. Already we have completed these things. Okay. Next, days of the week. Which are the activity? Which day they are doing? That we have completed. Which day they are doing? Monday doing craft. Tuesday let us PT. Like this activity is given. You have to complete this also. Okay. Then match, color it. So this is only the main concept in this time chapter. Okay, Kanna, you have to revise in this page. Page number, start from this, which page number in this chapter? 138. Take this book page number and revise these things in this time chapter. And chapter checkup. I told you, no, chapter checkup also, the model sums given that you should complete. See, what is this money? Without money, we cannot buy anything. Yes, without money we cannot buy anything. Once money we have in the form of two types. Yes, we are using money in the form of two types. What are the? Notes and coins. Yes, this note is made up of paper. This note is made up of paper. This coin is made up of metal. No, so these two forms only we have used by money. Yes, coins has two sides. Coins has two sides. Already I have shown you before that. That is one side is called head, other side is called tail. What is mean by tail? Tail means that coin shows that number, no value of the coin. So 1 rupee means 1 has written in that side. Or 2 rupee means 2 has written in that side. 5 rupee, that 5 has written. That showing the value of the coin, that side is called a tail. Yes, that side is called a tail. Other side this is called a head. Okay, so this coin has two sides. This is tail and head. What does mean by tail? Mean the value of the coin. So that side is called a tail. Other side is called a head. So this is only important point in the money. Somehow we have notes also in there and coins also in there. So two also, some values. For example, these one for example alone. So if 1 rupee note is there and 1 rupee coin also is there. Yes, did you see that? 1 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Otherwise 5 rupee coin is there, 5 rupee note. Both these values have both notes and coins. 10 rupee also. 10 rupee notes also is there, 10 rupee coins. Now 20 rupee coin also is there. Just to check it. It's newly this one launched for 20 rupee coin. That also have to check. Okay. So 20 rupee note also is there. So these values have both notes also and coins also. Are you clear about this? In the money chapter. Okay. What is the symbol of in our currency? What we have used? Rupee. The rupee symbol. What is the rupee symbol? How did you write the rupee symbol? Already I told you, no, this is one horizontal line, one curved line, then one slanting line. This is called rupee symbol. Then one small horizontal line. This is called the rupee. Rupee, symbol of rupee. This is what? Symbol of rupee. In before any this how did you read? After this symbol, we can write any number means you have to read as this is 2 rupee. If you are writing like this, 10 rupee, 50 rupee. So this is called rupee. If you are writing before the value of the money, the symbol means you can read as this 50 rupee, 10 rupee. Okay. Otherwise, one more is there, paise. 50 paise. Paise means we have written first value. After that, write small p. This is called paise. This is called paise. So this is the symbol of rupee. So whose picture printed on Indian currency note? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Whose picture printed on every Indian currency notes? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So this is the small question for you, general question. So now we are going to revise the general question alone. Already we have practiced all the pages in your book itself. Okay. So let us know about what is the extra things about this chapter. How did you, if you are asking the objective type question means how to choose the correct answer, reading the question and observe that what they are asking. Then which answer is correct for this. Okay. First question. Which one of the following denomination? Denomination means values. Okay, here this 10 is denomination 50, 1, 2, this all called denomination here. Is not available as a coin. So here some value, some denomination is given that itself is not available as a coin. So first let us see one by one. 2 rupee note. 2 rupee coin also is there. Yes. So note also is there and coin also is there. That means this is not correct answer. What question? Not available as a coin. Its denomination is not available as a coin. 1 rupee coin also is there. So leave this answer also not there. Next 10 rupee note and 10 rupee coin. 50 rupee note is there but 50 rupee coin now we cannot see it. So this only is the correct answer. So 50 rupee note we have seen that 50 rupee coin not available. So this answer only correct. So one by one you just check it. This option, okay. This option is not apt for this question means leave it. Then last only, that is the correct answer. So this is the right way to choose the correct answer. Okay, understand my dears? Then what are the new things in this money chapter? Count money. Yes, count the money. How did you count? Using slip counting. Same number of same value of the coin in there means that very easy for you to add and tell the answer. Yes, if 2 rupee coin, you have the 2 rupee coin, 5 2 rupee coin. How did you add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have in your hand 5 2 rupees coin, that means what is the total amount of this? How did you add? 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Next 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. What is the total amount? 10 rupee. 10 rupee. So same denomination means it is easy for you to find the answer. If it is different denominator, for example 10 rupee note and 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Now count and tell the answer for this total amount of money. Yes, 10 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. How did you add this? First 10 rupee. First what is that? Wait. 10 rupee, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. Let us find the total amount. First 10, we have to write the amount below the note. 10. Next add the next number. What is the values given? Just add it. 10 plus 5, 15. Know the addition? Yes. 10 plus 5, 15. Again take this number and add the next coin. 15, 15 plus 2. 15 after 16, 17. Okay, 17. Take this 17 and add the next number. 17 plus 1, 18. So the total value of this 80 rupees. What is the total amount? 80 rupees. So these things only for important in this money chapter. So next chapter what? Handling data. What is mean by handling data? Yes, collection of information. Collection of information is called data. Next, complete this objective question for which name of the fruit has more letters? This is the handling data. I told you handling data means collection of information. Where it is collection of information? In somehow they are given information, no, in that which answer is correct. Which are the one this many times, that like collection of information is called the data. In our class, how many girls, how many boys, that is one of the data. In one more thing, how many girls started in the first letter for the name A, how many girls. Then B, how many girls, how many boys, that is the one of the data. Okay, so this is called the data. That information, we collected the information and put it on list me, that is called the data. So here, which name of the fruit has more number of letters? See here, apple, orange, plum and mango. See how many letters in this apple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is apple has 5 letters. Orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Orange has how many letters? 6 letters. Plum, this 4 letters. So count one by one slowly. Mango, mango has 5 letters. So now identify which name of the fruit has the number of letters. Yes, 5, 6, 4, 5. So this orange yellow has more number of letters. This is the correct answer. Next one, list out any 3 colors. List out any 3 colors. Name of the color, no. That is, which has 5 letters. Which has 5 letters. You know that primary colors, what are the colors you know very well? Yes, black, white, red, green, yellow, orange, blue. These many colors is there, no? In that colors, I am going to write here red, blue, green, orange. Next, what is the color? White, black, yellow. Enough. This color is enough. Okay. In this, which are the name of the colors has only 5 letters? Only 5 letters. See yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, 6 letters. In this yellow, how many letters? 6 letters. White, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 letter. Yes, what is the question? List out any 3 colors which has 5 letters. Which has 5 letters. That means white is one of the answer. No. Say we write here white. First one white. So we put A. White. Next color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Black also has 5 letters. Black also has 5 letters. So next answer black. Okay. Next one green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green also has how many letters? 5 letters. Green also has 5 letters. So this is also one of the answer. Yes, what is the question? List out the colors which has 5 letters. The name of the color which has 5 letters. So green. Write one by one without doing any mistake. Green. Next orange. Orange has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Orange has how many letters? 6 letters. So this is a not correct answer. The question is 5 letters alone. So this also not correct. This also not correct. Next red. This is only 3 letters. This is only 4 letters. Okay. So only 3. Black, white and green. Black, white and green. These 3 name of the colors only has 5 letters. Understand? This is one of the information. Next, come to the next question. A, C, this is one of the box. In this box, 4 letters we have written different. See, the A is written how many times, B is written how many times, C and D also. See here question. The letter A is written is how many times? Next, the letter C is written how many times? That is the question. See, first A is written how many times? Counted. First one by one take your pencil and first one your counter means you cross out. 1 in this line? No. Next, this one we know. 2, 3, 4. How many times the letter A is written? Only 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. Okay. Next question. The letter C. The letter C is written how many times? Where is C? Here, no? So I am going to use another chalk piece, color chalk piece. 1, 2, 3. So the letter C is written how many times? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, which two letters are the same number of times is repeated? Which letters? 2 letters? Yes, D, D. 2 times. B and B. So this B and B as repeated 2 times alone. Yes, D and B repeated only 2 times. Okay, so this is that information for called handling data. Choose the best answer questions only. First question, what is meant by data? Already know? Say along with me, what is meant by data? Yes, collection of information. Collection of information is called the data. Is called the data. That we have to see the different types. Now, how many of us question? How many of the letters inside the circle? See here a picture is given. First one rectangle inside one circle. So many letters are here. In this, how many letters are inside the circle? Inside. Inside how many circle? So inside how many letters? Inside of the circle, how many letters? So this is the circle, no? Inside means if this is out means this. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many letters inside of the circle? 5 letters. In this answer, where it is in this option? Here option B. That is 5 letters. Okay, this is the correct option. Suppose they are asking outside of the circle. Suppose the question was changed here in between this inside for outside. Instead of this inside, they are asking question how many of the letters outside of the circle. Outside of the circle. That means which letter we are going to take? Outside. This is in. This is out. In, out. So outside how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many letters outside of the circle? 6 letters. So where is this here only? That means option A is the answer. So which are the different types of question they are asking? No problem. You just observe the question, then find out the answer. So outside means 6 letters. Inside the circle means 5 letters. Understand? Okay. So come to the next question. See here, how many of the students like ice creams? How many of the students like ice creams? See first one, chocolate, biscuit, ice creams. This is using the pictures. You have to think this is the children. This is the students. 1 star. They given here. 1 star means 5 students. 1 star denotes how many students? 5 students. So before that you have to find out how many students in this. So 1 star 5 students means 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 students like chocolate. 15 students like chocolate. Next 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Why I am telling this is 5? Each star denotes 5 students. Just imagine this star inside standing 5 children. Like that you have to imagine. So 5 plus 5, 10 students. Yes, each star 5 students means 1 star has 5 children. 2 star means 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 students like what? Biscuit. 10 students like what? Biscuit. Okay, come to the third one. Ice cream. This only the question of how many of the students like ice cream. How many of the students like ice cream? Here 5. You just write below this stars. 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Yes, 4 stars means 20 students. 20 students. So which is the correct option for this? How many of the students like ice cream means? Which is the correct option? Yes, option C. Option C only the correct answer. Suppose they are asking how many students like chocolate? How many students like chocolate? That means 15. Okay. Then one more type of the question also they have possibility to ask. How many of the students like both chocolate and biscuit? Both chocolate and biscuit mean you just add these two numbers. How many of the students like both chocolate and biscuit? That means you just add these two numbers. 15 plus 10. If you are not added directly means you just add in this workout place. 15 plus 10, 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So 25 students like chocolate and also biscuit. So there are many possibilities for asking the question in different ways. So first you have to find out how many. Each star has 5 means 15, 2, 10, 4 means 20. Then you have to find out the answer. Then we are going to see the third question. That is also the different one of that. We will see. Next, observe and answer. Third question. See, observe this. What are the marks they are given? See here, observe means observe. What are the things given? Then have to find the answer. See here, some 4 students marks are given. Okay, this is the mass mark. Okay, J got marks 99 and Dheeraj got 87 marks. Varun got 98 marks. Then Akash got 89 marks. So using this only, now we are going to answer the question one by one. Okay, do you understand? Okay. See, who got the highest score? Who got the highest score from the given data? From the given data. This is the data. Data of the mathematics mark for 4 students for in class 1. Okay. This is the students mark. Here names are given. Highest means what? Maximum. Highest. In this, who got the highest mark? See, observe these numbers. Which is the highest? Bigger number, that is the highest mark. Which is the bigger number, that is only the highest? No. Which is the smaller, that is the least. Highest and least. Highest means very biggest. Then least means very less mark. Which one is the smaller number? Which who got very small mark? That smaller number, that is least mark. Highest 99 only, no, because all the marks are 87, 98, 89 also below than 99 only. Yes. So who got the highest mark? J. That is an option. Option B. J only got highest mark, highest score, highest score. Okay, next one. Who got the score between 80 and 90? 80 and 90 marks score. Who? Between 80 and 90. See here, 99, that is 90 and 100. 87, this number will come on. From 80 to 90, which are the numbers coming? They are asking question, no, 80 and 90. What is the question? Who got the score between 80 and 90? So 80 and 90 between what are the numbers in the area? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Then 86, 87, 88, 89. So in this number, where is here? 87 is here, no? Yes, this is only one of this, Dheeraj. Again, 98 is here? No, it is more than 90. So leave this. 89 is here? Yes. 80 and 90 means you have to find out in the workout place between 80 and 90 which are the numbers coming. Then in this score, which number is here? That name alone you have to take. Okay, now tell me who got the score between 80 and 90? Yes, Dheeraj and Akash. Dheeraj and Akash. Dheeraj and Akash. Next, who got the least score? Who got the least score? Very less score, very minimum mark. Okay, very low mark. All are same meaning. Very low mark. Okay, very minimum mark, less mark, least. So which is that? 99 is the first mark for this one. Next 98. Next 89. Last only this mark, no? 87. So this Dheeraj only got the least score. Dheeraj. So it is Dheeraj got the least score. Least score. Understand? Dheeraj only got the least score. Understand, Kanna? Nothing is there. Compare the numbers alone. You know already the numbers up to 100. In that also you know very well about arranging ascending and descending. If you are arranging this number in ascending order means which is coming last, that is the biggest. Which is start from that, no, that is the smallest number. That only you are using this answer. Yes, very last mark only who got the least score? Yes, Dheeraj got the least score. So like this only many numbers you have to write and make your question and find the answer. In your class also, if you are coming to school, in your class 30 students, in this 30 students, how many of them got 80 to 90 or 70 to 80? Like that questions are coming. You just ask your friends, how many marks, how many marks. Then compare. Then which one? Who got that? Okay, that and that have to do using these numbers only. Using these numbers. So come to that next question. That using pictures we need to find the answer. Count the shapes that are the same. Count the shapes that are the same. Which are the shapes? Same shapes, no? The stars means stars alone. The circle means circles alone. Then smiley. Then balloons like that. That are the same and answer the following. Okay, see here. Most pictures are given. Yes. What is the shape of this thing? Oval. Oval shape. Circle means like this one, you know. Circle. Yes. This is oval shapes. Next, balloon, star, smiley. So 4 types of pictures are mingled here. In this itself, we are find the answer for this following questions. Okay, Kanna? See first one. How many stars and smileys? Then oval, then balloon. So count each stars, each pictures. How many of them? So first one, stars. First one we need to count stars. So take your pencil and strike out one by one. Otherwise you have to do put one line. Okay. See here. First one star. This is only one. Next 2. Others 3. One more 4. So how many? Count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars are here? 4 stars. How many stars? 4 stars. Next is smileys. So if you place your finger where it is start in the first one. So first one, this one first. 1. Next 2. Again 3. Again 4. Next 5. Next 6. So count the number of lines. 6 smileys. How many smileys in this box? 6 smileys. You write the number 6. Next oval picture. Oval shapes how many? So place your finger again. 1. So put one line. oval shape how many? That also 6 times. That also 6 times is coming. Next to balloon. See first balloon. I try out using this white chalk piece. 1. So 1. Next balloon. 2. So I place one more line here. 2. Next 3. Next, where is the balloon? 4. So how many balloons are here? Only 4 balloons in this box. Only 4 balloons in this box. Now clear about this? How many stars? 4 stars. How many smileys? 6 smileys. How many ovals? 6 ovals. How many balloons? 4 balloons. Using this we have to find the answer for this below questions. Draw 2 things. Draw 2 things that are repeated 4 times. That are repeated 4 times. Which 2 things repeated only 4 times? Use this one. Star and balloon. Which 2 things are repeated 4 times in this box? Star and balloon. That 2 shapes only we need to draw in this dash itself. So star. I am using this topic. Star and balloon. And balloon. These 2 things only are repeated 4 times. One more question. Which are the 2 things are repeated 6 times? That you have to draw. The next question have to make. Draw 2 things that are repeated 6 times. Which are the shapes 6 times? Yes, the smiley and the oval. The smiley and this oval. Understand? So, smiley and the oval shape. And oval shape. So, these 6 only for this types of questions. Using this picture, how to find out. So, how many shapes are in all? That question they are asking me. How many shapes are in all? All the shapes, add all the numbers. 4 plus 16, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 4, 20 shapes. How many shapes are in all? 20 shapes. One more question also in that way will come. So 20 shapes. Okay dear, so this is the 4th question. Application readiness. Already we told you know how to read the tables. Which are the tables ma? 2 table, 5 table and 10 table. Because these 3 only you are going to read for this standard, first standard. You know about the skip counting of 2 very well already, and 5 and 10 also. Using that skip counting you have to make the tables, right? Okay. See that you will see how to make the table. Right, I will teach again. Okay. See first one. What is multiplication? Why we are using this? Yes. When you add the same number over and over again, the same number repeated again and again means it is called repeated addition. This only we called as a multiplication. How to make a multiplication? Using this repeated addition. For example, see here, this 2 is repeated again and again. How many times is repeated? Yes, 4 times. How many times repeated? 4 times. So how will you make the table for instead of this repeated addition? 4 times means 4. First is the how many groups? That is denotes by the group. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of the group. 1 group, 1 group, 1 group. So 4 groups. We can tell as a 4 times. 4 times. 4 times repeated at what number? 2. So 4 times 2. 4 times 2. So how will you write the multiplication? This one 4. Instead of this times, you have to write the symbol of multiplication. What is the symbol of multiplication? This class mark. This is called into. Yes, you know the addition symbol, subtraction symbol. No, this is one of the symbol using multiplication. Yes. So this symbol have to use 4 into 2. 4 2. 4 2s are 8. How will you get the 8? This answer 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. This is addition. We have to add the same number using the skip counting of 2. Right? Okay. The same thing but using 4. This 4 how many times repeated? Ma? Here 3 times. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Yes. How did you write? 3 times 4. How did you write the multiplication form? 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So how do you? 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Answer is 12. Suppose to give 5. 6 times 5. How did you write 6 times 5? 5 plus 5. 6 times you have to write the same number, that is 5. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. See, look at here. How many times I have written on the board? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times repeated the number of 5. So 6 times 5. And using multiplication symbol 6, 5. Our what is the answer? 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 50. 50 plus 5 20. 25 30. 6 5 are what is the answer? 30. 6 5 are 30. So now we clear about it is very easy to make a multiplication table using this repeated addition for 2, 5 and 10. Okay dear? See, come here. This is multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. The same thing have written but number only different. Here 6 times 5. Here 3 times 6. 3 times 6. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6. 3 times I have written here. 3 times 6. Whatever number this many times means you have to write that many. 9 times 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 9 times you have to write. 10 times 10. 10 times 10 means what is the answer? 10 plus 10 plus 10. Yes, in 100. Yes, 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 times 10 means that is answer is 100. Answer is 100. Clear kana? Okay. So let me see the next one. How you can identify the groups and they write the repeated addition forms. Next, match the following. Using this picture, have to match this addition sentence. Which one is correct according to that? Okay. See, first one, this is balloons. This is darts. Each square has some darts there. How many darts each square inside? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Okay. Here a bunch of balloons. See here 3 balloons are together in one row. Here 3 balloons. Here also 3 balloons. And then ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I am also like. See here ice cream. Next leaves. Yes. Okay. First observe this group. Each group has how many things? See here. Each group has 3 balloons. Here also 3. Here also 3. So how many times 3 is coming? 3 times. So where is here 3? Here only no. So which is the correct option for this picture? Yes. So this is only the correct option. Yes. So you have to write nearby here. You can give the numbers. That means you have to write the number alone. 1. That is enough. No need to match each and everything. You just write the number. Next one. See here each square has how many dots I told you? 5 dots. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. How many times is coming? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is 5 here? Here also 5 no? But here how many times is? 1, 2, 3 times only repeated. But here 5 groups. That means 5 times repeated. 5 times you need to repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last option for this only correct for this second one. So where you have to write 2 here only. Where you have to write here 2. Next one. Ice creams. Ice creams also how many groups? 4 groups. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2 is repeated. So 4 2s are 8. So here there is 2. Here only. So question number 3, that you should write near that number. Near that number. Clear? Last one. Here leaves. In this one petal, how many leaves? 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also. So this 5 is repeated 3 times. 5 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So this option only the form last one. 4. Clear? How did you match using this picture in this repeated addition form? Now let me see this. Using this repeated addition, we are going to make a multiplication sentence. Yes. So how many times repeated in this 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how did you write in the sentence? 4 times 2. 4 times 2. Next here, how will you write? 3 times 5. 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Here 4 times 2. Next 3 times 3. How many times? 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Clear? Next, how many times repeated this 5? 5 times 5. How will you write? 5 times 5. Yes? So this is only the right way to make a multiplication sentence using this repeated addition form. Clear? Okay, Kanna? So next also we are going to see this. But next, number in all, how to identify the groups, how many groups, these things only. Next, fill in the blanks. See here, triangles pictures are given, group triangles. This is one of the group, second group, third group, fourth and fifth. 5 groups are here. Using this picture, you have to fill up these blanks. Okay? Number of groups. First question is number of groups. I told you no, groups mean this is one of the group. This only make it a group no? Already? Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many groups are here? 5 groups. So you have to write here 5. Clear? Next question. Number of triangles. Yes, number of triangles in each group. In each. This word you have to listen. Each group means in one group how many triangles. In one group how many triangles are here. Okay, so let us start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in one group how many triangles are here? 6 triangles. So we have to write in this dash 6. 6 triangles. Next one, repeated addition. Repeated addition. Using these two statements, you have to make a repeated addition sentence. 5 groups, each group 6 triangles. How did you write? 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Each group how many? 6. So 5 times 6 you have to write in the repeated addition form. 5 times 6 I have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written 5 times 6. Yes, instead of this, how did you make a multiplication fact? 5 times 6. How did you write? 5 into 2. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Yes, 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 6 18. You have to count one by one because the next question is number of triangles in all. Number of triangles in all. All each means in one group. Each means in one group how many? In all. This word is coming means have to count altogether. How many in all? Clear? So 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 6 30. Otherwise you have to count one by one and write the answer. Okay. So 5 times 6, 5 6 are 30. So number of triangles how many in all? 30 triangles. Clear? For one more examples, how will you make the sentence for the same thing, but I have to give some other number. Yes, here I have to change, not this picture, here I have to change. Then what will you make the sentence? Tell me. Okay, number of groups. Number of groups, suppose 7 groups. In number of triangles in each, 5 triangles. 5 triangles, not in this picture, I am giving this some other examples. Okay. So number of groups 7, number of triangles in each group 5 means, how will you make the repeated addition? 7 times 5. 7 times 5. So how did you write? 7 times you have to write the 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 times. Yes. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means number of triangles in all. Number of triangles in all. So using quick counting of 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 triangles in all. Okay, so if number is changed, no problem, but you have to identify the groups, how many groups, how many in each group, make the repeated addition using the find in all. Clear? So we come to end of the session. So all chapters we have revised today. Using this revision, you have to practice all the sums in your book itself. Then only you have to attend the term 2 exam in very good manner. Okay, dear children. This term 2 exam for you have to write and send written format only, not online test, written format. See here, PT3 and PT4 portion we have revised. No, PT3 portions already know, that is 3 chapters, that is for subtraction and measurement time. Then PT4 portions, money, handling data, multiplication readiness. These are 6 chapters altogether. You are going to write the term 2 exam. Clear? So practice the sums. Unless practice, you should not do your exam in the good manner. Okay, dear children. So in the book page, using this revision also, if you are not completing your book pages, that itself you have to complete that pages and all. Okay, dear. So subtraction only. So for compare the measurement, do that sums alone you have somewhat difficulty. That you have to practice all the sums. In 10 sums, write down in your note itself, then practice, it will come automatically. Then measurement time also very easy. Other than other chapters also. Multiplication should read the tables and make a sentence like that. So 6 chapters you are going to write the term 2 portion. Okay. So revise and do your exam and the good. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day to you.